Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Sarode and I am currently studying in third year of Computer Department in Zeal Polytechnic NRA. And today the topic of a project is to build a list of grocery items to shop for using client-side scripting. And this project is made under the guidance of Professor Tambui sir and Professor Bansode madam, followed by my classmates Atharva Dorje, Nisha Vettigiri and Prathamesh Jadhav. So in this project of client-side scripting, we will be demonstrating an app made in JavaScript programming language, which is used to make a list of grocery items a customer wish to shop for. And this project is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let us first see what is HTML. So HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used for creating web pages. So basically HTML describes the structure of how a web page will be shown, and HTML also consists a series of elements which tells the browser how to display content properly. And from now onwards, my friend Nisha will explain what is CSS.
What is CSS? First, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Second, CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen paper or in other media. Third, CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Fourth, external style sheets are stored in CSS files. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language that enables you to create dynamically updating content, control multimedia, animate images, and pretty much everything else. JavaScript is scripting of programming language that allows you to implement complex features on a web pages. Every time a web page does more than just sit there and display static information for you to look at, displaying timely content updates, interactive maps, animated 2D 3D graphics, scrolling video, junk boxes, etc. You can bet that JavaScript is probably involved. It is the third layer of the layer cake of standard web technologies, two of which, HTML and CSS, we have covered in much more detail in other parts of learning area.
My name is Atharva Dorje and we are going to discuss on our application made in JavaScript. Our subject is client-side scripting. This is our output of the code. This is our grocery list app made in JavaScript. So this is how it works. When I click on the website and I'll press to add one by one list elements in the grocery list, shopping list. So if I want to show the working of this application, I'll open my project, which is right here. So when I click or when I type on here and press enter, the elements get added one by one with a dash. If I want to clear the list, so if I add multiple elements, if I clear the list will get cleared. This is the grocery list app made by me and my classmates together. Continuing in how this JavaScript code works, you can also strike that application like this. So if I wrote something ABC and if I click on it, you can strike it so that list part is done. In this way I can explain this part. So this is the JavaScript coding part. We have added an event listener, and these are two event listeners when I press the button and when I press the enter, and this function gets called, which is on the second page, and the accordingly dash is added with the user input value from the box. In this way our JavaScript code works, and complete code is shown here when I click on the link and I connect to internet. Complete code is shown right here. So complete code is shown right here. So this is our complete code, the HTML CSS. I have just explained how the JavaScript code works. It is basic variables I have used this get element by class name and get element by ID method. Then I have added event listeners, and accordingly this code works.
Our web app code made in JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. First point: the code is too long to show here. That is why a Google link provided below. Second point: hold Control and click on link to view code. Then first point: in this project client-side scripting, we have demonstrating app made in JavaScript programming language. This app is used to make a list groceries items that user wish to shop for. Third point: this app is made by Atar Amit Dojan, Isha Bettigir, Sahil Sarudyan, Prathamesh Jadhav. In the fourth point: in this app, all of below technology is used: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And last point: we have also seen the explanation of a web app and it's working using JavaScript.